Welcome back, friends. Welcome to another video of ITGT YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can prepare a bootable pen drive of Ubuntu and install it in your PC. So to do so, open any of your browsers and search for Ubuntu ISO download. Then hit enter. The first link will be the official website. Click on it. Here we are in Ubuntu official website. This is the latest version. Click on download. Here you can see the download has started. I have already downloaded it, so I'm skipping this process. So here you need another application called Rufus. I'll give the link in the description. You can download it from the below. And the third thing, main important thing, is a pen drive which you will make bootable. So let me show you first the ISO file which I have just downloaded. You can see Ubuntu 19.04 ISO is here, image file. Then insert the pen drive that you want to make bootable. Now open Rufus application. It will automatically detect the pen drive. Now select the image file from select button, click on it and open. Now you can see partition schema is MBR or GPT. I've made a separate video on that, how to check with which type of table memory schema your PC uses. You can check the link from the description below. Now click on start. Make sure that your pen drive should be empty or may not contain any important files, as this process will erase everything. You can see the process has been started. After completion of the process, we're ready with a completely functional bootable pen drive, and you can use it for making or installing Ubuntu in your machine. You can see the fully green and showing ready. So close this, and we are ready with a bootable pen drive. So I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you want more such videos from this channel, you can stay tuned with us. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.